channel. So this is Reet from Beautart. In case you're watching my channel for the first time, I am Reet and this is my channel Beautart, where I post all the videos related to fashion, makeup, beauty, lifestyle stuff. So this video is going to be a subscription box which is available in India for all you lovely people out there. And this is a very affordable one, like everyone can afford it. I know there are a lot of beauty subscription bags or boxes in the market that, you know, they are little costly. They will cost you around 500 to 700 to even 1500 rupees, and it is kind of not so affordable for everyone out there. But this bag is from Glam Eco. Glam Eco is the brand which is having this bag for you guys. So this bag is very affordable one. So this is a monthly subscription bag, which means that you have to pay a certain amount for a month and they will send you one bag per month. So if you buy this bag for like 1 month, this will cost you 199 rupees. But I got this subscription for like 3 months, so this costed me around 540 rupees, 549, 540 rupees. They give me a discount of 50 rupees. So this is about the Glam Eco bag. So I'm gonna be very true. I've already opened this bag. This is not the unboxing type of video, but yes, I'm gonna show you what I got in my Glam Eco month. Let's just open it up. So the packaging is really nice. You're not gonna lose anything. I mean, it came with this plastic outside. I mean, the layer outside, and this is how the bag looks like. It has this note which says, "Blow away the harsh cold winds of winter." The back theme is winter, of course. So it is a March Glam Eco box, and it has three full-size products and one sample for this. You know, they will give you this little note which will tell you what all they have. So everything comes in this bubble wrapping, which is always a good thing. So I'm just gonna start off with the thing that I got as a, the testing sample. So this is from the Talgo La Beauty Marine. I got this brand. I saw this brand on Nykaa, and it was very something which is not so affordable. But I'm really happy that they sent me the sample thing, which is like a cold cream, a deeply nourishing body cream. So I'm just gonna use it, and if I like it, I can order this from their website. The fragrance is amazing. This is nice. And it's curious gold. Fragrance is so nice. The fragrance is strong. It's something which is not so strong, but yes, it's nice. I don't like mild fragrances going on the hands or feet, because ultimately they roast rubbish. So the next thing I got is this Bio Bloom skincare lip balm in mint flavor, which is LLP free. It is 8 grams of the product, and this has cocoa butter, mint oil, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, and the original price is 115 rupees, 115 rupees. So this is, I actually used it last night before sleeping, and I'm dropping everything. So I actually used this last night. The fragrance is like typical mint flavor, but it's very nice. Trust me, it's very nice. I really like it. If this is gonna end, I'm gonna buy it for sure. So this is the first thing that I got from the Bio Bloom for 115 rupees. The next thing is this Aura Vedic Kajal, which retails for 150 rupees. So these two products are already exceeding for what I paid for one bag. This is what I like about the monthly subscription bag, that you're trying a lot of brands, you're trying a lot of stuff. Usually I don't think that we will buy it online. So this is the Kajal. I already saw this Kajal. I mean, I've already tested it and did all these things. It's nice. It's nice. I wouldn't say that it is not nice, but it's something which is like which will smudge for sure. I tested it and it's something which will smudge, but it's always nice to, sometimes sometimes you should have Ayurvedic kajals. Because I wear contact lenses, I think I should have Ayurvedic kajals in case, there are some days when your eyes are just feeling so irritable. So the next thing is so this one is a sea salt, Dead Sea Minerals and Botanicals. This is the facial kit for oily skin, intense whitening, radiance and glow series. This is one facial kit which contains Dead Sea Minerals, Moroccan argan oil, jojoba oil, natural and organic, and it has all the instruction going on at the back, and this retails for 350 rupees. Nice. I'm happy. So my mother has already decided that I'm going to use this product on her. I can't use it on me. So she said, buy for yourself, this is going on you. That's how your mothers are, and you cannot just say no to them, because I don't think you can say no to your mother. Okay, so this has all the 6 step kind of facial kit. First is the cleanser, second is the facial polish, this is the facial massage cream, this is the Dead Sea face mask, this is intense clarifying toning gel, and finally this is the whitening cream with SPF 20. So this everything comes for 350 rupees, and this 350 stuff comes for a bag which is worth 199 rupees only. And if you increase your subscription for if you increase the months, you will get some discount also. And this facial kit also says that it has benefits like deep cleanses and clarifies, treats blemishes and rashes, whitens and brightens skin, unblock and reduces pores, evens out skin tone, infuses Dead Sea Minerals into skin. So what I'm gonna do is, please let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see a review on the Sea Salt facial kit. I am gonna put a review if you guys want then. So please let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'm gonna use it on myself or my mom, and we will decide whether this product is really helpful or not. So let me know. So that was all about the Glam Ego box, and I really like this bag, and I'm looking forward for the next 2 months that I have my subscription for. And that's it. This video is not sponsored. I got this from my own money. That's it. This is a disclaimer. So that's it, guys, and this is the Glam Ego bag, and I wanted to share this amazing bag which is super affordable with you guys, and hope to see you next time. And don't forget to hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell button right there.